Hi, today in this video I will show you how to make these funny paper flowers. They are quite simple to create and they are a great home decor or a party decor. You can put them in a vase or as you prefer, and they are made only with 4 strips of paper. So let's get started. Okay, we will need 4 strips. My strips are long 30 centimeter, but if you want you can make them longer or smaller. You will need to do in this way. You fold enough your strip and then another time fold enough again. Okay, this is your final result. And then with a pair of scissors you will cut here and then cut in this place. So we will have 4 little pieces of paper. You will need to resize all and fold all the paper strips, and then we will start to create our flowers. You will take this and then, quite simple, you will have to fold but without press. You will leave it in this way, and with some glue you will glue your petal in this way. So this is your result. Okay, and then you will need to do it for all your strips. Okay, I did it mine and prepared them. So here the petals, all the petals, and then you will need, in order to assemble your flowers, you will need some paper for the middle, for this, and I will use some golden paper, glitter golden paper. With your paper punch, circle punch, we will create 2 circles, one for the front of the flowers and the other one for the back of the flower, here in this way. Okay, and then you will take this and we start to glue all the petals. Okay, in this way. Okay, it's better to glue one opposite to the other one. It's more easy in this way. Okay, and here, and then this one here. So you will glue all the petals till you will have finished your flowers, complete your flowers. Okay, and then in this way. My petals are a total of 16, because if you fold enough your each strip, you will obtain at the end the 4 strips At the end you will obtain 16 petals, but you can do as you prefer. I created them using this sort of technique. Okay, the other one here. We are about to finish the flower. Okay, here. And if you want, you can create your flower using strips from different colors, so yellow, blue, pink, red, and put them together. You don't need to do in this way as I did it. Last one, and our flower is ready. It's finished. Not almost ready. Okay, this is your flower, and you can use these flowers also for a gift. If you have a gift and you want a ribbon that is unusual, you can create this and glue on your gift. So we need to put another circle in order to finish our flower, and voila, the flowers. Press down sometimes. Yes, it's better. Yeah, it's finished. And if you want, I glue my flowers to a stick. You can glue your flower to a stick, leave it to dry for 5 to 10 minutes, because if you use the glitter paper, this paper is not the glue doesn't dry quickly but slowly. Okay, leave it to dry, and then I will show you your finished flower in pink. Here your finished flower. So they are quite nice for me, and surely a great home decor. You can gift them. You can put together 3 or more flowers and create a bunch of flowers. I made this in a bigger size. Voila, here the finished flowers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video, and see you next time. Bye bye.